In today's video, I'll guide you through how to stop pop-up ads on your Android device. Pop-up ads can be really annoying, but there are simple ways to block them. First, let's cover when they appear while using your browser. Open Google Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, scroll down, and select Site Settings. Then tap Pop-ups and Redirects and make sure this option is turned off. Once disabled, sites will be blocked from showing pop-ups and redirects. If you're still seeing pop-ups outside of your browser, it's likely caused by an app. To fix this, open your settings, scroll down to Apps Management, and check the list of installed applications. If you notice any app you don't recognize or don't remember downloading, uninstall it. Just tap on the suspicious app and then select Uninstall to remove it. Repeat this process for any other apps you don't recognize. That's how you can stop pop-up ads on your Android device. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,